In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw directly on your screen, just like what you're seeing here. A lot of people want this feature for different reasons, whether it's for presentations, live streams, tutorials, or any situation where you're recording your screen and want viewers to see your drawings in real time. That's exactly what this video is about. As you can see on the left side of the screen, this is the tool we'll be using. The great thing about this software is that it works on both Mac and Windows. Right now, I'm on Windows, and if I open the Tools settings, I can immediately start drawing on the screen. You can choose different pen widths, switch between multiple colors, and even draw shapes. Some shape tools are limited in the free version, but honestly, the free mode offers more than enough features for most people who just want basic screen annotation. One of the main reasons I like this software instead of using keyframing or more complex editing tools is how easy and fast it is. Keyframing takes time, setup, and extra configuration. With this tool, I can launch it in seconds, start drawing immediately, and focus on what I'm explaining instead of worrying about technical settings. The tool itself is also very flexible. It's sticky, meaning you can move it around your screen, hide it off to the side, or keep it wherever you want. When you're done, you can simply close it from the bottom, and it disappears completely from your screen. Now let's talk about how to get this tool and set it up. The software we're using is called Epic Pen. To download it, open your browser and search for Epic Pen on Google. It should be the first result. Click on it and you'll be taken to the official website where you can read about the features, pricing, and support options. There is a paid version, but the free version works perfectly fine for most use cases. From the website, click the download button at the top. Choose the correct version for your operating system, Windows or Mac, and install it. On Windows, it downloads as an exe file, which you can place on your desktop for easy access. Once it's installed, just double-click the icon and the tool menu will appear on your screen. From there, you can start drawing right away. You can use a mouse, which works surprisingly well, or a drawing tablet if you want more precision and smoother handwriting. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can draw on your screen in real time for presentations, recordings, or live streams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.